Man, I'm glad you guys like what I do. My family always said if you keep being weird like that, you're not gonna make any friends. And now I have over 1,000 followers and subscribers. Hear that, guy? Oh, that's right, I still don't have any friends. Suck it, traffic! Oh yeah, that's right. Look at that long line of cars I don't have to wait in. Been playing Russian roulette with the weather. Every day there's like a small chance of rain. Saw it. And like most days it doesn't rain, but like some days it just does and it pours. So I don't know. If I go out on the bike, I'm playing the odds. School is back in session. Look at all that traffic. Haha, losers. Look at all those school buses. You know what I learned in school? How to fake it till you make it. And I am not there yet. I deserve this. It's so hot. I just got a new phone and I put it in my backpack along with my old phone, so they're both in there. But normally I have it in my pocket, and right now it's not in my pocket, and it keeps giving me like mini panic attacks, like, oh no, my phone! But you know, it's just in my bag. Knappy diety. I can't spells. 26,000 pounds. That's a heavy license plate. I've never seen a license plate that heavy before. My bike just got up to like 220 something degrees, which is almost as hot as my face is right now. By the way, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. Don't make yourself comfortable. I want those traffic cones. I don't know why. I like traffic cones. I want them for things. I don't even know if I'd use them, but I want them. If you have traffic cones, hit me up, fam. I do say, good sir, we are far under the speed limit and I am annoyed. Please fix it at once, Jeeves. If I have a butler, I would name him Jeeves. I don't care if his name is Ronald McDonald. I'm naming him Jeeves. It's the only name for a butler. See that tow truck up there? Too bad it can't tow away my sad feelings. If you notice in some of my previous videos, I put that Fast song by Swaco the Child. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. But it keeps giving me copyright claims, but I don't care because I'm not making money anyway. Thanks, YouTube. I don't know how I feel about that. Blue rims on a white Charger. I don't know, man. I don't know. Feels bad. Fun fact, BMWs don't come with blinkers to save weight and money because their drivers typically don't ever use them. Road work 500 feet. What happens after 500 feet? Road no work no mo? Road no work no mo. Say that 5 times fast. Road no work no mo. 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 I almost did it. Oh, what did I tell you? No blinkers. I knew it. Car in front of me is from Texas. I'm nowhere near Texas right now. I respect your hustle to drive all the way out here. Yeebo. Oh, careful, buddy. Gotta stay in your lane. We stay in our lanes here in Georgia. I'm surprised. We're going like almost 10 over the speed limit, and that tow truck is still pulling away. Props, man. Whoa, bro. Stay in your lane, bro. You guys ever just want to sit on a cloud and then you remember that it's just a bunch of water droplets and that you just fall through it and it wouldn't really feel very good? Yeah, me either. We just like made eye contact. That was awkward. There's a nice little Classico car in front of the tow truck, but I don't think you'll really be able to see it. I want to touch it. I want to touch its tailpipe. Uh-oh, a ghost lawnmower. The machines are taking over. And now I'm going too slow and it's real hot. I want to die. What are you looking at, you weirdo? I will eat your ankles. Woo, keep it up, Sandra. Only 6 more miles. When I was in the army, we used to go on like these long group runs, and no matter where you were in the run, if you'd ask like how much longer, how much further or whatever, they'd be like, only 6 more miles. And like sometimes it was, and then sometimes you'd get like back to the barracks or whatever, and they'd be like, only 6 more miles, and they would just tease you, and like you just do laps around the barracks. It makes me sad now. Hey, way to stop at that stop sign. Just kidding. Screw laws. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's random video, and I love you, and I'll see you guys next time. Always remember, hit that like and subscribe button, or I'll throw punch your family cat.